Hello dear Trackdesk users, I would like to welcome you on our onboarding session, which is very crucial for you to start with a Trackdesk affiliate journey. I would like to show you how the platform should be set up. So let's start with the introduction. You can see our dashboard here. So this is the overview of what you can see when you access the account. Before I will show you the dashboard, let's go to the settings. So in settings, you can see most visited ones. You can find here sections divided per general, tracking, affiliates, integration, and my account. Let's start with general. If you go to users, you can see the invite button and you can invite all other admin users who has the access to adjust your offers, who can see reporting and basically everything. Here you can see branding. This is the place where you can upload the logo, you can upload also the favicon, change the color of the platform or add a custom domain. This custom domain will be connected even with the sign-up form, which I will show you a little bit later. There is also offer organization, which we will also see when we will be reviewing how to set up the offer, because this is connected with the offer. Menu customization. In menu customization, as you can see here, you can connect multiple URLs and it can be visible for multiple roles. It can be only for admins or even for the affiliates, so you can adjust it as well. And it will be visible right here. So the affiliates or other users can access all needed materials, agreements, or whatever you would need to connect there. Let's go to the system. So here you can name your business, you can put there the company site, and you can choose default time zone. Also, you can choose language, which will be by default. You can add the currency, and the important section is terms and conditions. This is the template we prepared for our customers, so you can use it. If you go to edit, you can also adjust the version or you can add your own. Here you can see dashboard and reports, which can by default, it allows you to choose which conversion statuses will be displayed on the dashboard of the affiliates. And there is also dashboard customization. Email customization. This is connected to the welcome email when the user fill out the form and they are waiting for the approval. In the system, we do have also alerts. Those alerts can be in-app or you can get the email. You can find that it's for multiple events. For example, when new affiliate will register to your program, anything you can see here. So that was the general settings. Let's go to the dashboard. Here you can see the dashboard, which can be filtered by the date. And you can also specify what would you like to see, whether it will be clicks, conversions, revenue, payouts, so you can play with it. You can see also the quick overview of conversion rate, profit, and metrics you need to monitor for your affiliate program. This is also overview for affiliate signups, best performing affiliates, and latest conversions. Let's go now to the affiliate list. So basically this section is for affiliate management. You can see here the list of affiliates. So this part is very crucial because if you want to have everything in order and to make sure that everything is set up well for affiliates, listen carefully. So here you can see the affiliate. If we click to the affiliate, you can see the option to delete them, you can see the option to message them, you can see the status or the status of traffic. Everything can be disabled or the user can be deleted here. You will see also the button to impersonate user. If we click on this button, you will be forwarded to the dashboard of the affiliate. So you can basically see how your affiliates can see the platform. When you start inviting your affiliates, you can mention to them that if they will click to this little camera, they will see the demo of the affiliates dashboard. So basically it's a step-by-step guide how to use the platform, so you can use it as the onboarding video as well. Affiliate will see pending settings here, so they should insert billing details and payment methods. They can see the dashboard as well. They can see offers, the list of sub-affiliates. I will get to this topic later, so stay tuned. Reports, billing. They will see also this URL link, for example, for creative materials. Let's go back to the list of affiliates. You can see the information, for example, the status, the traffic, the country, even the parent affiliate, and for example, manager, because we do have a role of affiliate manager and super affiliate manager. You can see it here. So you can invite those people to be assigned as the manager of particular affiliates. Then there is super affiliate manager, who will basically see all those affiliates, and he will have the access to the reporting, to the list of all affiliates. Affiliate manager can see only assigned affiliates. Let's go back to the list and let's continue side here. You can see their email, you can see the billing details, you can add them as well, you can see payment methods, admin notes, so this will be visible only for admin users, and affiliate registration data. Also MLM commissions or redirect domains if needed. Open balance and settled balance is visible as well. If we click here to add new affiliate, you can add them via form, you can import them from CSV file, or you can use this sign up link. So if we copy the link, so now we can see the sign up form. This you can use within your website. You can implement this link to your landing page for affiliates. We usually recommend to create the landing page for affiliates because you can attract more affiliates, you can specify conditions of your affiliate program here, and affiliates will click to that link, to the button, for example, join our affiliate program, and they will be forwarded here so they can sign up to your Trackdesk account right away. I was talking about terms and conditions, so they will just click to I accept, they will choose the affiliate ID, and they will sign up right away. This form is also connected with affiliate registration data. This you can find in settings, affiliates, and affiliate registration data. I usually recommend to put billing details as required, also some contact, telephone or any messenger, website URL, promotion channels, and for example, current traffic, because this information can help you to find out more about your affiliates. You can also add custom question. So if you need to ask about anything, you can put it there and it will be visible after the affiliate will fill out their email address, their affiliate ID, then there will appear this form. Now we are back at the section affiliate list. You can see here that there is written all, which means that you can see all affiliates with every statuses. There is section pending. This is for users who would like to approve those affiliates who are going to sign up with your form. So they will get to pending. This you can preset in settings and you will see it in section Affiliate, General, Approval of Affiliates. If you turn this on, then you need to approve those affiliates before they will be a part of your affiliate community and they will have access to the platform. So you will see them in pending. You can just click to the affiliate and change the status to enabled, so they will be accepted. They will get the welcome message. I was showing you this previously in settings, email customization. So for higher plans, there is a possibility to adjust this message and to make it more custom. So let's go back to settings and let's go to the section affiliates. In general, I was already showing you where you can turn on the approval of affiliates, and here you can see the message for awaiting approval. We do have templates for this type of communication, so just let me know and I can send it to you. So now let's check our tiers. In this section, you can add multiple tiers and you can also preset automation, because affiliates needs to be motivated, and you can add tiers and specify the commission rate. This automation allows you to preset the metric you would like to automate. For example, when they bring you some amount of revenue or the payout on conversion count, which means that, for example, after reaching 50 conversions, they can move to the higher tier. So if they start within bronze tier, they can move automatically to the silver tier when they reach 50 conversions. So you can preset this in our tier automations. Payment methods. This is very important step, because if you don't preset any payment method, affiliates, when they access the account, they won't be able to choose one. So this is very crucial, because if affiliates won't choose the payment method, you won't be able to pay them. We have multiple payment methods. It depends on your usage and on your strategy. In the beginning, we usually recommend to put 1 or 2 payment method because, for example, bank transfer or direct deposit, it's not automated. You need to do it manually. We do have automated payouts with Tipalti, so if you will be interested in this option, we can connect you with our partner and you can get automated payouts. When I'm talking about payment methods and payouts, let's go now to the open balance, so I can also show you where you can find the integrated button with Tipalti, so you will be able to pay them with one click, which is a very nice feature. With PayPal, for example, so here you can see open balance. With PayPal, you can have mass payouts. So this is a good option for the start. So now we are back in payment methods. Here you can see MLM commissions. So MLM commissions, if you turn this off, your affiliates are not able to invite other affiliates to become a part of your community. But if you preset this as a global, affiliates can see the link to share with their friends or with other affiliates, and they will become their sub-affiliates. So everybody who invited someone will get the commission assigned to level 1. So if affiliate will make a sale, you can see the example, they will get $100. The parent affiliate will get 5%, and this is counted from this payout. So it's not 5% of the revenue, but it's from the payout. So you can see what will be the final cost for your business if you preset those 4 levels. MLM commission on the global level, it's visible for every affiliate, but you can also assign a specific condition for some specific affiliate. So for example, this Megan, you can put that she will get, for example, 10%. So you can customize this. If you preset for individuals only, you can assign only to a few affiliates and you can specify the commission here. Affiliate registration data. I was already showing you this part, and now let's check affiliate communication. This is very, very important part because here you can put information about your affiliate program. You can put their contact for affiliates, so they will be able to see a little phone here in their dashboard. Let me show you how it looks like. Let's go to the affiliate list, impersonate the user, and you will see it right here. So if they need to contact a person who is responsible for your affiliate program, they can see it right here. Now let's go back to the settings in affiliate communication section. So contact for affiliates, very, very important to fill this out. Dashboard node. This can be an overview of your affiliate program. You can specify what they can expect and how it works. You can put there a link, you can put there some image, and you can use this rich formatting to adjust the dashboard node. There should be some useful information, for example, about the date of payout. There can be mentioned whether they can be a part of MLM or where they can find the assistance. You can put there also, for example, the link for your onboarding of your affiliates. Now let's go to the open balance. I was already showing you this when we were talking about payment methods, but now you can see how this actually works. You can see the open balance. You will be able to filter by the date. So if we preset that you are going to pay and we have the data until the end of April, then we can filter, for example, the payment method. So let's go PayPal, and you can filter minimum balance as well. You can see PayPal now. Let's click to settle balance, settlement node. You can put there something like PayPal April and click to settle. It will show in settled balance. You can see that there is the settlement, and if you click to the settlement, you will be able to export to PayPal. And there you can also find self-billing invoice for the affiliate, which can be useful. The last tool connected to the affiliate management section is email message. Here you are able to send message to all affiliates, or you can divide the message by status, by tier, or you can send an email to individuals only. You will just put there the email. You can use rich formatting for this as well, so you can send some newsletters or you can use any messages you need to send. Let's go to the offer list. This offer usually represents your affiliate program or campaign. Let me show you how you can create your offer. Let's call it my affiliate program. What is the landing page of your campaign? So, if you have the website and you are directly sending there the traffic, we will choose direct linking. But if you are a network and within your website you want to use redirects, then there is the option with redirect tracking. But for SaaS companies and e-commerce companies, usually we will go with the option direct linking. If you would like to check more information about the type of tracking, you can find it here with in the help section. Here you are going to put there the main landing page. You will choose if you want to pay commission as a revenue share or fixed commission. Let's choose the currency. Let's choose if there is going to be a recurrence, and let's put there unlimited. Here you can specify the tiers, and if you would like to track non-transactional conversions, meaning leads or free trials. Let's go with leads. For leads, you can decide whether you would like to give them any commission or not. Let's choose that we are not paying for leads, but it really depends on your business needs. So now we have our prepared offer. Let's go to edit, where you can adjust the name of the campaign. You can put their description, how you wish your campaign will be promoted. You can put their restrictions or internal notes, so affiliates won't see it. You can choose the visibility, if it's going to be private or public, or apply to run. So affiliates can click to apply to run, and you will review those applications and decide whether they are a suitable affiliate to promote this or not. You can upload the thumbnail, or you can categorize your offers. You can also add some tags. For example, you can see generated traffic. For example, for food industry or travel industry, you can specify it with those tags. You can specify also targeting device and channels. Let's go to revenue and payouts. So we have sale and lead. You can decide whether you would like to pay them in percentage or as a fixed commission. There is also a recurrence type. You can limit transactions. On hold can be used in case you have any refund or cancellation policy. So if you would like to wait with the payout for the conversion, you can put there, for example, 72 hours, or you can put even longer duration, but be careful, it's in hours. Then you will choose final conversion status, which can be approved. So after this time duration, all those conversions will be approved. There is also revenue and payout section, where you will specify percentage or the amount of payout. It needs to be specified for all those tiers. You can add targeting, which means that you will specify for which countries it's supposed to be. Let's go to landing pages. We put there the main landing page, but you can add even more landing pages, but be careful because it can be deleted. It can be hidden or disabled. Creatives. For networks and everybody who is going to have more campaigns or basically more offers, we recommend to upload creative materials to this section because it will be very clearly visible that those creative materials is connected with this offer, but you can also use menu customization for this purpose to upload creative materials. Let's now go to the affiliate tracking, where you can get the affiliate tracking link as a QR code or copy link. You can see those variables. This means that with those you can track conversions which are coming from Instagram, or you can change it and you can track those for Facebook. So you are able to know whether this came from Facebook or Instagram or blog post, newsletter, and everything. Here you can blacklist affiliates, which means that there are two ways how to limit who is going to promote. You can prepare private offer and assign only affiliates who can promote, or if there is, for example, only 2 affiliates and you do not wish them to promote, you can blacklist them so they won't see this offer. Here is the section called integrations. You can see possible ways how you can integrate with Trackdesk. You can see that there are materials for the developer. You can also find specific sections about integrations in our help section right here. You can use our live chat to get help from our support team. And if you need further help with integration, it's available on our business plan or enterprise plan. In authorization section, you can whitelist IP addresses, and here you can also manage quality control. When we are talking about the offer, there is Also, one thing you should think about. Let's go to the section Tracking. Let's see conversion attribution. You can decide whether the conversion will be counted as a last touch or first touch. This means that if the end customer will click on affiliate link, but then they will find another affiliate link, they will click to the other one and they will end up purchasing from the other one, and it means that it will be assigned to the last one. Cookie expiration. It's by default set up to 30 days, but if you wish to prolong the duration, it's possible to do it here. I already showed you this section where you can whitelist IP addresses. You can also disable tracking scripts here, or you can allow editing conversions without API authorization here. If your affiliates will ask you to create an affiliate postback for them, you can find it here and you can create a postback. So any data connected to conversions, clicks can be forwarded to some external tool of the affiliate. So if they ask you about affiliate postbacks, you can create it here. Traffic control. Here you can add blocking rules. So if you are using affiliate parameters or advertiser parameters, which can represent, for example, email addresses or phone numbers from your form. For example, if you have a form, book a demo, and you want to collect those leads, you want to collect email addresses, you can block those leads which will have empty parameter for this specific information. Whenever specific event occur, you can see it if you add new webhook right here. Here we have our reporting. You can find our daily reports here. You can see number of clicks per date. You can see number of conversions, revenue. You can see even other metrics here. Overview reports. With overview reports, you can play with charts. So you can see that if we go here to see affiliates, now you can filter what exactly you are going to check. For example, only approved conversions for the last month. You can also select if you are going to monitor clicks, conversions. So you can see the performance of those affiliates because we are in affiliate section here. But you can see also the metric. So here you have the overview, and here you can add a chart data. You can edit those columns, you can export, and you can filter whatever you need. This is my favorite feature, Report Builder. With Report Builder, you are able to see the data as you wish. If we go here to see clicks or conversions, you can see that those are in the list. You can filter by the date. You can see the amount of conversion, which is visible right here. But to see a very detailed information, I recommend to use Report Builder. You can also prepare different type of reports. Here you can see that we have filter here. And here you will find our groupings. Let's add a grouping. So we have affiliate, offer, and country. You can move with it. So now you see the affiliate as the first data. So we have affiliate here. Then you are able to see how many offers did he use. You can see the country. So you are able to monitor almost everything. If we change and you want to see performance divided per country, it's not a problem. You can see it very quickly. So you can see number of clicks, conversions, revenue right away. You will filter that, for example, you would like to see this month, and you see it. You can see charts as well. MLM commissions. Here you can see how many commissions are coming from your multi-level marketing. You will be able to see parent affiliate, commission, conversion status, conversion type, and also email, clicks. This is how the click look like. You can filter by the date, you can also filter by parameters, countries, affiliate ID and everything, so you are able to see all this information. You can see this fraud alert. If it's green, it means that the conversion is fine. But if there will be a red button, it can be within the click and also within the conversion. I mean sales conversion or lead or anything. This is the alert that there can be some fraudulent event, and it will inform you so you can reject the conversion. You can see click ID, you are able to see IP address here, affiliate ID and the offer. Let's check conversions now. So this is how the conversion look like. You can see the ID of conversion, you can see the click ID because this conversion came from the click, which is visible here. You can change the status of conversion. So you can manually change from not allowed to approved. So even though you will see that there is fraud, but you would like to pay to the affiliate anyway, you can change it to approved. In this list, you are able to see advertiser or affiliate parameters. With those advertiser parameters, you can track, for example, email addresses, telephone numbers from your forms. When I was talking about book a demo form where the customer will fill out email and telephone number, you can see it here. Affiliate parameters, which can represent channels like Instagram, Facebook, will be visible here. So if you go to the filter and you can see the section affiliate parameters or advertiser parameters, you can search and see the performance here. Let's check our logs. Activity logs can help you find who from your team made any change within the system, because sometimes it can affect your affiliate program, so you can see who made the exact change. For example, offer was created or offer status was changed. Anything related to any change within the platform will be visible right here. Postback tracking logs. The purpose of this feature is that if there will be any issue of connection with the Trackdesk platform and affiliates external tool, you will see the error right here. Conversion error log. When the integration is not done correctly, you will have the information about the error. To avoid any issues connected to the integration, you can upgrade for the higher plan and you can get our premium support, and our integration specialist will prepare a guide and he will lead you in the whole process of integration. Before you start managing your platform, we also recommend you to go through our Trackdesk Academy, where you can find all information about how you should start, how you can scale, and how you can automate. Needed information is also in our help section, where you can search and find our blog articles, which can help you understand the logic of the feature, and it can also help you with the setup. To understand functionality of those features and to set up the platform correctly will help you with a smooth start of affiliate journey. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope it helped you with the setup and with understanding of Trackdesk. If you would like to have personal onboarding and guidance from our customer success team, you can contact our sales team to discuss which of our plans will be suitable for you. Have a good day!